Hi everyone, very good evening. I am here at VIP Motors Dubai and let's see the inventory these guys have. This is one of the leading hypercar showroom we have out here in Dubai. At the front we are greeted with a beautiful Bugatti Chiron. A latest iteration successor to the car to the left is a Bugatti Veyron. 8-liter quad turbocharged W16 engine, more than 1500 horsepower, 1600 Newton meters of torque, 0 to 100 in less than 2.4 seconds. Only 500 units are there for the entire world, and these cars are on waiting period for more than 2.5 years, and these guys have one for sale right here. Car to the left is again a very special, the very original Bugatti Veyron. But this is not just a Veyron, this is a Targa top model called the Bugatti Grand Sport with the updated headlights they introduced with the Grand Sport. Same engine, 8-liter quad turbocharged W16 with 1001 horsepower. Looks quite stunning in chrome and exposed carbon body. Out in the bonnet as well as the roof is of course a Targa roof, exposed carbon rear end in brown color. Rear haunch of the car is absolutely stunning. 0 to 100 this car does it in 2.6 seconds. Then we have latest Lamborghini Aventador S. It's a LP740 all-wheel drive. This is a roadster model. They unveiled the updation of Lamborghini Aventador in the year 2017. Looks stunning. Rear wheel steering, doors that goes up, a screamingly 6.5 liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, rear mounted of course. Then we have a track ready pista which we will gonna see in a bit. Let's just see the front end of the cars. They have one Bentley Bentayga, 2, 3, 4. I mean, these are countless Bentley Bentaygas they have, and this is completely a Bentley section they have at VIP Motors. This is a 2020 Bentley Continental GT convertible, first edition apparently. A stunning blue color. I mean, the color this car has is absolutely stunning. Chrome has been completely de-chromed from the outer rings of the headlight to the grille to the wheels. Looks absolutely stunning. Powered by 6-liter twin turbocharged W12 engine producing 626 horsepower. This is a Union Jack, 12 written right here to denote that this is a W12 engine. Interior the Bentley is completely outrageous. You can have a good look at it. A complete overlaid throughout the door as well. New Bentley steering wheel. Nice quilting all around the seats. Perforated seats at front and at the back as well. I'm not sure how comfortable the rear passengers will gonna be, but hey, it is a top of the line Bentley convertible. You have new tail lamps, newer rear bumper, different style wheels for the Continental GTC, and then we have not 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 2020 Bentley Continental GT W12. Spectacularly awesome. They have it in every colorway. Then this is the Holy Trinity P1, McLaren P1, the first car they introduced in the Ultimate series. Only one of 375 in the world, and I'm not sure how many of the white cars are there in the entire world. Hybrid hypercar with 3.8 liter twin turbocharged V8 engine with the rear electric motor which gives 903 horsepower as combined, and you can drive this car in complete EV mode for good 10 kilometers. Acceleration is brutal. car right here is sitting in the lowest mode possible, with the race mode. Then the car we have here is 458 Speciale Aperta, just one of 499 for the entire world, is standing in Rosso Scuderia. Ferrari Shield. These wheels are specific for the 458 Speciale Aperta. These cars are going for insane amount of money. These are not decals, it's of course a painted stripe as a Ferrari do, and one of the most expensive option you can spec your 458 Speciale Aperta in. Bucket seats, all carbon fiber inside as they do in the limited edition car. This car comes with a Targa roof which can be stored down here electrically in just 17 seconds. Completely redesigned rear end if you compare it with a 458 Italia. Huge carbon diffuser, center step exhaust tips. 458 naturally aspirated V10 V8 engine is right down here, which gives 597 brake horsepower. This is the last naturally aspirated a mid-engine V8 Ferrari they make. Up then they introduce the 488 GTB after all the iteration of a 458 Italia. That's the reason these cars are going for insane money nowadays. Then we have Verde Mentis McLaren 675 LT, again a limited edition run, one of just 500 for the entire world. This car spec'd beautifully. Here you can see a front splitter in dry carbon. Track telemetry system is also here to record the lap timer. This is the track focused car which sits at the top of the sports series range. They have I know up 720S as well, but 720S is not the successor to 675 LT. They might be introducing the successor of 675 LT in this year's Geneva International Motor Show. Gorgeous wheels with massive carbon ceramic brakes. 675 LT lettering over here. 675 LT, as you guys have guessed it, is the horsepower produced by rear mid-engine 3.8 liter twin turbocharged V8 engine, which is a tuned down engine you have in the P1 as well. It has 666 metric horsepower. I mean, rear end of a car is completely killer. LT range of cars in the McLaren range is what RSs are for the Porsches. Limited edition run. Rear of the car has been completely redone. This car is based on 650S, but it hardly share anything with the 650S. The rear of a car is longer. Completely redesigned rear diffuser. This is a active rear wing, and the exhaust is a titanium exhaust which shoot flame in night third parking light. And the doors of the McLaren, as we know, goes up. Let's see if this car is open. Yeah, this car is open. Complete Alcantara inside with the green stitching. Sports seats just like you have in the McLaren P1. This is a carbon tub 2. Gorgeously stunning car. And all the McLaren comes with a soft touch door mechanism. You don't need to slam the door down. Then we have one of the best from a Porsche is a Gen 2 911 GT3 RS Weissach pack, which can be tell from the wheels here. These are the lightweight magnesium wheels standing in lizard green color. Looks spectacularly awesome. 4 liter straight 6 naturally aspirated engine producing 520 horsepower. New front end just like a Gen 2 GT3 Porsche PDLS. These are the front louvers to move out the pressurized air from the wheel wall. GT3 RS decal on the side. Rear of the car is completely haunched out. A massive picnic table at the front, which gives a lot more downforce as you'd expect for the on the track. This is the one of the best track you can get for the money these cars are retailing right now. Center exited exhaust right here. Porsche knows how to make gorgeous sports cars, as these guys are doing it for more than 50 years from now, and they are retuning it 911 again and again, making a better car, even better with every iteration and generation of the car. Interior of the car is specced quite gorgeously. These are the 918 style carbon fiber bucket seats. This is a single piece 918 style seats. GT3 RS illumination in carbon, complete Alcantara, leather at the top of the dashboard. Green looks superb as far as accent is concerned. Green roll cage at the back. Fantastically done. So this is the first part of the cars they have in here at VIP Motors. Please stay tuned for the other part, and we will gonna see what more cars they have, and they have pretty insane cars down at the back and down at there as well. So wait for the next part, and I shall see you really very soon with the next video. Don't forget to share your comments in the comment section down below. If you like the content on the channel, please do like it and subscribe, and wait for the another part, because another part will going to be insane. Take care guys. Cheers for life.